Okay, folks, now we want to go ahead and start creating the actual cut paths. Okay, so the printer can cut this thing out and we can put it on that vehicle I was talking about. Now, the text without any effects applied, which means everything except this fire, will be quite easy, and we'll address that right now. What I want to do is select, get ahead of myself here, get the group selection tool and select these things. Hold down the shift key. There. So you want to select Harman Fire Extinguisher Service Company and the phone number and the ECR number. Now come over to the layers palette and you can see it's right here. That includes, that little dot there includes everything that I have selected. So what you want to do, now here's a really good trick, is to click, hold down the Alt key now, and move a copy of those paths up here to the cut paths. So now we have two paths really. We have the actual text and now we have the cut paths up here. And now we're gonna go to work on creating the actual attributes that are going to allow the printer to see these as cut paths. So to do that, open this up, lock this layer right here, the one called Other Text, and then select Harman Fire Extinguisher Company again. And now what I've just done, since this layer is locked, I'm selecting only the cut paths that I just duplicated. Had this not been locked, I would have selected both the text and those cut paths. Now what I want to do is I want to change the attributes for these cut paths. First of all, I don't want to fill. Let's get rid of the fill. And then I want to apply this spot color right here called Cut Contour. Then I want to set the attribute of it to 0.25 stroke, and I want the stroke miter limit to be 1. And that's it. That will tell my printer cut here. That's what that spot color does. It tells my printer cut here. Okay? Now the other ones are going to be more complicated because we want to create a special die cut that is fully bled. So we're going to have to actually offset this path before we apply that spot color. And I'll show you in the very next lesson.